If you want to streamline communication with your customers and clients, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you how to connect your WhatsApp account within your Meta Business Suite. So follow me. So you want to jump into business.facebook.com. You'll get onto this page and we're going to scroll down here on the left hand side and you'll see all tools. And you want to open this up so that you can see all of your business tools. Now, you can go and look for settings, and this will give you all of the settings that have to do with your business portfolio or your profile. Here you can see on the left hand side under accounts, you can come all the way down here and you'll see WhatsApp accounts. Now this is where you actually can connect and manage your WhatsApp accounts. So on the top right hand side, you can go ahead and click on add, and you can add multiple accounts to this business profile. Once you've entered your country's dialing code as well as the cell phone number that is associated with your WhatsApp account, you can go ahead and tap on continue and you will begin the process of connecting your WhatsApp to Meta Business Suite. If this was helpful, drop us a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and we'll check you out next time. Peace.